How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one. And this one too. As you can see, over 300K followers, and it's powered by AI. That mean it's an AI influencer and it doesn't exist. I mean, even that a lot of and real people followed her. So this is the power of AI influencer. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. And a lot of AI influencers earn millions of dollars. And in this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So as you can see, we have a lot of likes, comments, and it's followed by real people as I mentioned. So dive into the world of AI influencers where virtual personalities are defining the rules of social media marketing and racking in cash like never before. And a lot of AI influencers earn millions of dollars as I mentioned. So first step, you need to start to create your AI influencer on YouTube using first step, you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have to create one because we have here Hygiene. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate AI characters. All you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. And as you can see here, we have two options to get started. So you can choose the one you want. And here we have use cases. As you can see, we have here product overview, skilled outreach, learning and development. For the features, we have AI avatar, AI voices, video translate, personalized videos, streaming avatar, zipper. For resources, we have here blog, creator fan, affiliate program, ambassador program, weekly webinar, case studies, help center. For the company, we have here about tasks, safety and ethics, career pricing. So there is a various thing you can read about, and then you will more understand how the website works. And if we more scroll down over here, you'll find the AI character, the AI explaining or introducing something on this video, introducing the website. As you can see, this is the script, and you can also create like this one and create the script you want, and then you're gonna start with. And we can find other AI character explaining a specific topic. For example, says outreach, product marketing, content marketing, learning and development. As you can see, there's a various one, so you can choose the AI character or AI avatar you want, and then you're gonna start with. So this is the AI character that have the website, so you can just click to get started and enter your email, your verification code, and you'll answer for a few questions. Then you can sign up and it will lead you to this homepage. So this is homepage. As you can see, this is my recent creation, so you can find here my recent creation, so you can find yours too if you have already account. So let's come back and look at what we have here. Here we have hygiene learning guide, so we can find a lot of information about this one. For example, AI studio, video avatar, AI voice, video translation. So we can find a lot of information about it if you didn't understand something. So for example, if you find some difficulties on video avatar, you can just click over here and the AI character will explain to you things with details. And if we scroll down over here, you'll find templates with a various topic. As you can see here, we have agency full web, promo video, business report. So you can find the various topics with the various AI characters. So you can find a lot of one and that help you to improve your template if you already have one, so you can choose which one you want and get started with. As you can see here, we have avatar, so you can choose the avatar you want and then you're gonna start with. Here we have video avatar, so you can go to studio avatar, and you can find a lot of AI characters to choose one of them, and then you're gonna start creating video with. And let's for example choose this one. As you can see, this is Zoe in long sleeve, so we can find here three dots. You can edit avatar or you can get avatar ID. For this one, if you want to create video with this avatar, you can click on the landscape. If you want to start with video on YouTube, as you can see here, we have a lot of options. This AI character, you can put it on the left, on the right, on the middle if you want, and also you can determine the size of your AI character. You can also add it animation, so you can add it effect on enter, added effect on leave. As you can see here, we have various effect here, so you can choose the one you want. And we have other options that can help you to edit your video, and this is the script, so you can delete that one and then you can edit yours. You can edit another one by clicking on this plus icon. You can also edit per section. Between these two scripts we have here 3 seconds. You can make it less or more. Here we have added recording. You can click on here and then you can start recording. And this one if you want to import audio, and also if you want to um, type, you can just type here the topic. If you find some difficulties on writing script, GPT script writer will help you to create one. And also here we have the translation, so you can translate your script to the language that you want by selecting the language and then clicking on apply. And for the voice, so you can select which voice you want by scrolling over here. You find a lot of voices, or you can just select the type you want. That can help you to find the voice you want. So here we have natural voice, if you want explainer voice, ads voice, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games voice. It depends on how you want it. And here we have the language of the voices, so we can find the various voices. Here we have the gender, so we can find here male, female. I already choose female AI character, so of course the voice will be female. And also the age, you'll find child, youth, middle age, older, and the function too, so you can adjust the function on how you want. So there's a various things that you can choose to get started, and then your video will be ready to publish it on your YouTube channel after editing your video. So you can just click on submit and it will be ready to publish it on your YouTube channel. So there is a various way you can start with. For example, you can start as an affiliate marketing through platforms like impact.com. Offers affiliate flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through the referral links. Or you can just simply create a video guide using an AI influencer. Can be an engaging and um, innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. Just make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.